Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Strap Chat. Today we're going to talk about chain binder maintenance. We've got Chris here from engineering staff going to describe a little bit more about what the products actually are.
Yeah, thanks for having me. What we've got here is a couple simple machines, really. One of the chain binders here is an over center cam functioning tensioner, and the other one is simply a ratcheting threaded tensioner.
Right, and like any simple machine, they are simple, but they do still need a little bit of maintenance every once in a while. So while we have brand new units up here, we do want to educate you on how to do that in case you get out in the field, you get some grime in there, salt, debris, whatever else. If either one of these units is locked up or seized or just super dirty, you want to hit it with some penetrating oil, clean all that up, clean all the joints up, get them nice and clean. And then take your favorite lubricant. We prefer graphite or silicone based preferably. Hit all the moving joints, the moving parts, the threads, the toggle on the ratcheting binder. And you should be good to go for the next 6 to 12 months.
Yeah, and Matt brings up some good points, but I would like to caution you when you're lubricating the threads on the ratcheting thread tensioner, you want to use that lubricant sparingly to make sure that we don't have any buildup of that lubricant over some period of time, which would impede the thread going into its proper position, and it would certainly impact the longevity and the function of the ratcheting tensioner.
Great point. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you on the next edition of Strap Chat.